Hi, this video is going to be a tutorial on how to refill Samsung toner cartridges D101 and D111. I also show you how to replace the smart chip, OPC drum, and how to clean the waste tank. And the same procedure applies to Xerox 3020 and 3025 cartridges, which have almost identical construction. Alright, first of all you have to buy a bottle of compatible toner powder and a smart chip. The bottle of high-quality toner costs $7 and smart chip about $3. And it's all with free worldwide shipping, the link's in description below. So, these cartridges have the same toner powder and OPC drums, but different smart chips. Next, using a flathead screwdriver, open side covers, which is held in place by these plastic pins with melted ends. These gears may fall out, so just pause the video at this moment and put them back in place. Okay, now turn the cartridge upside down and gently separate it into two parts. Here's the refill cap. Simply open it with a flat screwdriver and slowly pour the entire bottle into the cartridge. The funnel cap makes the refill process very easy. Okay, now let's clean this part of the cartridge. It's absolutely okay to use wet wipes, but be careful with the magnetic roller. The second part of the cartridge consists of OPC drum, charge roller, and waste toner tank. Slightly push the drum axis out and remove the drum. You can use alcohol and cotton disc or soft tissue paper for cleaning, but never use any solvents like acetone. OPC drum usually can survive 4 refill cycles, sometimes more, sometimes less. Anyway, you can use it as long as the surface of the drum remains nice and green without any defects. Next, we have to remove the waste toner from the waste tank. This is a very messy process, so be very careful. Waste toner is excess toner that remains on the drum surface after printing. This pile of toner cannot be reused because it may be contaminated with dust and paper particles, but anyway it's possible. Using wet wipes, clean the charge roller and cleaning blades. Now let's replace the chip. Unfortunately, it's impossible to reset the chip, at least the original one, but for some printer models it's possible to install custom firmware and disable this chip forever. Finally, let's put all the parts back together. In my case, side covers fit real tight, but you can always apply a tiny amount of superglue on these pins. The refill process is now complete, so let's test it. As you can see, no warning indication. Let's go to printer's web interface. Open Control Panel, Devices and Printers, and here's the IP address of my printer. Simply type URP into a web browser and hit Enter. This is factory default login credentials. Click Information and Supplies. The capacity of this chip is 2000 pages, while the original one is only 1000. Okay, let's print a test page. Absolutely excellent print quality and definitely no worse than the original cartridge.